Hi sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. May I know your good name?
Ramya sir.
Yeah, Ramya. Can I have your resume? Yeah, Ramya, quickly introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself sir.
Okay.
My name is Ramya. I am from Bhadrachalam. I have completed my BTech in the Anbos Institute of Technology under the JMDH University. I have completed my intermediate in Little Club Junior College in Bhadrachalam. I have completed my schooling in Shishadna High School. My hobbies are listening music, watching Disney movies, and playing indoor and outdoor games. My strength is
Yeah, fine. So, what is about your technical skill?
manual testing.
Yeah, okay. So, manual and both automation or only manual?
Manual.
Yeah, okay. So, what is STLC?
The abbreviation of STLC is Software Testing Life Cycle. It is a systematic approach when the testers, when the clients meets the as per client requirement. It is the process of free of defect.
Yeah, okay.
The main goal of STLC is to identify the defect as early as possible in the development process.
Okay.
In STLC has 7 phases are required. Test requirement gathering and planning and analysis,
Okay.
test design,
Okay.
the environment setup
Okay.
and execution, test report and test close.
Okay. So, what are the test design techniques available?
Test design techniques are used to preparing the test data and test cases.
Okay.
In test design techniques has 7 design techniques are there. First one is boundary value analysis, equivalent class partitioning, decision making table, and state transaction, and error guessing.
Yeah, okay. So,
Boundary value.
yeah, okay. No need to explanation. Just explain the bug life cycle we have, right? What are the status available in bug life cycle?
In bug life cycle, new, assign, hold, reject, and test, duplicate, deferred, bug fixing, bug fixed, retesting, reopening, and test close.
Yeah, okay. So, why we are doing the negative testing? Is it mandatory?
Yes, sir. In the test application, invalid data rejecting or not, it is called negative testing.
Okay. So, what you can give the difference between load and stress testing?
Load testing and stress testing or performance testing, it is the process of invalid data. Load testing is as per test application as time as possible to navigate one page to the another page is called load testing. Stress testing is nothing but when the customer's expected configuration is more than the consumer's expectation load.
Okay. So, like at a time we need to give multiple customer, we need to check how application behave. It says test testing. According to the input, how much of time it was taking to getting output is known as load test. Okay. So, can you explain the unit testing?
Yes, it is the first level of testing.
Okay.
It is done by the developer.
Okay.
It is check whether the single module as per client requirement. It is follows the white box testing. The techniques are syntax coverage, loop coverage, path coverage, and condition coverage.
Okay. So, what is the test case and give some the attribute names?
Test cases uses the multiple ways. It is used how to check the how to test the scenario. It has a test case ID, test scenario ID, test case description, test scenario description, and steps of states, and test data, regression,
Expectation.
expectation, and expectation, actual, report, comment.
And comment. Yeah, fine. So, you have awareness of the documents like RCA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is RCA?
RCN is nothing but requirement clarification note. It is a document when the testers having ambiguity, that means confusion, then the testers develop updating the document.
Yeah, update that
RCN
confusion requirement inside the RCN document. Then they will give the clarity. Okay, so what is smoke testing?
Smoke testing is also known as build verification testing. It is the build released by the developer. It is used to checking the basic functionality of the application like login, logout and URL.
Yeah. So what is defect and error?
Error is nothing but it is done by the human, and defect is done by the testers. Find the testers.
Okay, so error is human made mistake, defect is found by tester in a testing environment. Okay, so why software testing in software development?
Software testing is super important to the software development. It gives software testing. It gives the free of defect as per quality of the document application. It gives quality of the application.
Is to reduce the failures in a market. Like means if any defect was found by market user, he will give the negative impact on the application and it is getting a application failure chance. If we are doing the proper testing, so then there is a less chances to getting a failure. Even getting a failure also easily we can modify. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Finally, what is manual testing?
Manual testing it is done by the users.
Yes, it is done by human interaction. Okay. Yeah, fine. Ramya, I think I done with my side. You have any queries to us?
No, sir.
Yeah, you can.